Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the MyCrypto wallet, a powerful tool designed for managing your Ethereum and ERC20 tokens securely and efficiently. MyCrypto is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you remain in full control of your private keys, ensuring your assets are as safe as your own storage methods. Whether you're looking to store, send, or receive cryptocurrency, MyCrypto offers an intuitive interface and a suite of tools tailored for all user levels. To get started, visit the MyCrypto website. You'll find a clean, user-friendly interface designed to streamline your crypto management. The homepage prominently features options to create a new wallet, access an existing one, or download their desktop application for enhanced security. If you're new to MyCrypto, creating a wallet is a breeze. Simply click Create Wallet, choose your preferred method, such as generating a key store file or using a hardware wallet, and follow the on-screen prompts. Don't forget to securely back up your private keys or recovery phrase, as these are vital to accessing your funds. Once your wallet is set up, you can begin managing your Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. To receive funds, click the Receive tab to access your wallet address. Share this address with the sender to initiate a transaction. Sending funds is equally straightforward. Navigate to the Send tab, enter the recipient's wallet address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. MyCrypto even lets you customize transaction fees, offering flexibility for those prioritizing either speed or cost. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link in bonus for new users is in the description. For added security, MyCrypto integrates with leading hardware wallets like Ledger and Trezor. This feature is invaluable for users managing large sums or seeking maximum protection. Additionally, the platform provides tools to check and verify transactions on the Ethereum blockchain, making it a handy resource for both casual users and developers. MyCrypto also offers advanced features like offline transaction signing, which allows you to authorize transactions without exposing your private keys to an online environment. This is ideal for users seeking an extra layer of security against cyber threats. Furthermore, the website has detailed guides and a robust support section to help users navigate any challenges they might encounter. If you're serious about managing your crypto safely and efficiently, MyCrypto is a fantastic choice. Its combination of usability, robust features, and security makes it a standout in the crowded world of cryptocurrency wallets. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and start exploring the world of MyCrypto wallet today.